21 Ford Ranger. The paint is cracked here, stress cracked. We're gonna try keeping that minimal, and then we're gonna touch it up, call it a day. Metal Medic sent us this to try out. Tension pull this with it. Just put some tension on it, keep that crack down. It's not gonna pop anything out, but it's gonna allow the metal to move more freely. He also has these tabs that are concave that will go right on that body line, which is gonna be really nice. I just want a little bit of tension to release some of this so I can push that body line out a lot smoother. I'm gonna be using a flat bar with an R4 tip, cherry tips from Anson. I think I'm gonna go wood. It does have some transfer scratches from the damage. I'm not trying to sand out texture or anything like that, so I'm not grinding into it. So I'm using a 2000 sponge with some water and letting it just roll over. Hey Chris, did you get the Caesar?